Hey everybody, good morning, happy Thursday. It's July 20th. It's 4:15 a.m. in the morning. And I couldn't sleep, so I said let me come out, you know, and give you guys a little ride, night ride. Just handle your business Thursday. So I guess we're gonna handle our business. Make sure the doors are locked. I didn't mess the camera up this year. Can you guys see me? No? You can see me a little bit. Anyway, make sure the doors are locked. Everything is on me that I think I need. Alright. Alright. Oh. Hey baby, what's up? Ready to take me where I need to go? Alright, wake up. Time to be woke. Can't have a sleeping bite. Can't have no sleeping bite. Gotta be woke. Woken with me. What's going on, everybody? What's happening, all my bikers? Oh my goodness. Hey, if you gotta get up and go get out of the bed, just to, get it off your shoulders and off your back, that monkey off your back. Sometimes the monkey mean drugs, but in my case, it's just the sense of depression, I guess. I don't know. I'm sure everything is good. But the only thing that fixes all problems for a biker is a ride. That's the only thing that fixes our problems. So it's peaceful, but it could be definitely dangerous. You guys are on a live video with me. Let's just go out and have a safe trip, a good time, and get in the wind. Oh, it's nice and cool. It's like, look at this guy. Just going through the blowing the stop sign. Look at him, they about to come. Alright, here we go. See, that feels better already. That feels better already. It feels good. It definitely feels good. Alright, got the top down. Alright, flying around the corner. Alright. On your side of the street, man. I love my electric motorcycle. Hey, this car is speeding, man. Car's at about 35 miles an hour right now. Oh shit. What's he stopping for? He's trying to brake check me? Or checking the streets? He's probably checking the streets. Oh, this nigga's brake checking me? Oh, let me get around there. He's just stopping for the light. He's speeding. And you don't know where the cops is laying at. There's the cops all around here laying out here. Alright, let's get around Bozo the clown. Okay, careful. Careful, careful. You see me coming, huh? Okay. Police. That's the police, y'all. Come on, man. As soon as I come out, I run right into the police. And this motherfucker is so bad that I don't get it what they trying to do. But even if I was, even if I was on a engine combustion, you know, I'd be doing the same thing, man. I'd be doing the same thing. Those bikes are way too, they out of my ballpark, especially for the shit I want. I'll talk more when I stop. Right into that hole, a little bit into the hole. Come on, man. Oh, damn, you blocking the whole road up, bro. That's the police right there. No wonder, that's the police. Yeah. That's what I need. That pressure, that's what I need. Let's go. So thanks everybody for coming out. Once again, good morning, happy Thursday. It's a night ride with Black Cat. We got it down to a whisper, baby. We got it down to a whisper. Come on, we have any business was good. That bitch on right here. Nothing. Like the police again. Yeah, it looks like the police again. that nice little stretch of ride carries us about 50 miles an hour. That's what we just now came off that stretch doing, probably 50 miles an hour. You got to know the kilometers versus the miles per hour. And y'all, if you watch my channel, you'll see all that up there. Yeah, I got a chart up there called "How Fast Are You Going?" Or "How Fast," something like that. Not "How Fast Are You Going," but like, yeah, "How Fast Are You Going?" Look for that. Look for that video on my channel. "How Fast Are You Going?" And you're gonna see a chart up there that says the kilometers versus the miles per hour. So get on the side of the street, motherfuckers. What are y'all doing? Everybody put this in like a thing. Yeah, I mean, like the cruise around town at 50, 60 miles an hour, you know, hitting it real quick and shit and getting out of it is fire. But I miss being on the highway with Big Red, you know what I'm saying? That's a fast motherfucker. Even when it had this battery in it. Even when it had the big boy acid batteries in it. You know, that bike just came off the rack, you know, like open. But soon as I put this oh shit. Soon as I put this what do you call it, controller into this bike, I'm gonna use this controller for the 3000 watt, and I'm gonna just give Big Red the ultimate hookup, you feel me? So yeah, so look at these guys. Oh, they working. I'm just gonna cut like that. I swear to God, man. You ain't gonna get that though. Get it for right now. That's it. That's about it. Alright, yep. Thursday morning. Handle your business. Thursday. That's what today is. It's it's not kind of, it's cloudy out here. Very cloudy. Yeah. Yeah. All the lights, you can't get through the lights and stuff. Come on, man. You're supposed to be cutting everybody off, remember? You don't remember me? It's a slow ass car up my way. My bike cannot beat a car. But on these little streets, like, you know, they act. I'll be out. I got my visor up. That's why y'all hear the wind so, like, you'll be whistling, you know. I got my visor up, but I got my, I'm wearing my goggles, you know what I'm saying? So it's a little extra noise, you know what I'm saying? But, you know. So the regen on this bike is awesome, man. As soon as you let go of that throttle, it starts slowing down on you. But as soon as you go back on it, you know, it's like a burst of energy that's there for you. And I love that. I love that. I really, what are y'all guys gonna do? Anybody coming in? So, where am I gonna go? Over here, let's see. We're gonna head over there to that gas station right there. Alright, so we're gonna y'all should look for a video where I'm gonna clean my own brakes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think I'm gonna clean my own brakes and get that shit on point. Oh, what was that? Fucking bottle. Yeah. I'm gonna pull over right here. So like, I don't know, 15 minutes. I done did about almost 15 miles. Man, we way out here, for real. Black Cat, Big Red, RZ. There you go. There you go, baby. So, we out here at the gas station. I said, let me come to the gas station, see how I feel. You guys have a wonderful morning. Hope you guys enjoyed that ride with me. It's like foggy out, but the sun is going to be coming out. Maybe I'll do a ride back with you guys. I don't know. I got to stop here for a minute. I got to take care of something real fast. Y'all know who I am. Black Hat. All right, girls and boys, don't forget to travel safe, right? Drive safe, buckle up, tie the kids in tight, and be safe, everybody. I want to say peace. Happy Thursday. Don't forget to check out those next videos, everybody. Much love. Thank you so much. Bye.